My plan last Sunday was to only watch the fourth quarter of the Steelers game, which started at 1 p.m. I turned on the TV around 3:30, only to find that the third quarter had just started because the game had been delayed by lightning. And then after watching for 10 minutes, the game was stopped a second time because of lightning. And for good reason. Lightning was within about 10 miles of downtown Pittsburgh most of the time between 2:15 and 4:15 p.m. on Sunday. The view from the WeatherStem camera at Acrisure Stadium shows the first line of storms approaching and the crowd thinning out. The heavy rain alone would not have stopped the game. It was the proximity of lightning to the stadium. A brilliant rainbow graced the skies after the rain ended. That second line of thunderstorms made it to State College and put on quite a light show. Our own Marissa Ferger had some loud accumulating hail at her house. Then as the storms moved away, one of our grad students took this photo, juxtaposing December thunderstorms with, high above, a starlit sky. The National Weather Service issued one severe thunderstorm warning in Pennsylvania on Sunday. Coincidentally, State College was in the warning area that included parts of Center and Clearfield counties. Now, how unusual is such a warning in December? Well, here's a breakdown of all severe thunderstorm warnings in Pennsylvania by the week of the year when they occurred, going back to 1986. So this is 38 years worth of data. What's plotted is how many of those 38 years a severe thunderstorm warning was issued in the state during each week. For most of June, July, and the first half of August, the bars are at 35 or higher. So nearly every year since 1986, there's been at least one severe thunderstorm warning in those weeks. The bar for the first week in December is this one, only 9 of the 38 years, just under 25% of the time, though most other weeks in December, this frequency is much lower, just 2 of the 38 years. Bottom line, not unheard of this time of year, but still uncommon. I'd like to finish with a bit more about lightning in NFL games. Now, compared to college football, the NFL has a lot fewer lightning delays, averaging only a couple per year, mostly because there are only 32 NFL teams, but also because 11 of those teams play in stadiums that have domes or retractable roofs, including in lightning-prone cities such as Dallas, Houston, New Orleans, and Atlanta. Interestingly, SoFi Stadium in Los Angeles, which houses both the Rams and the Chargers, did experience a 30-minute lightning delay in October 2021. It has a roof, but the sides are open, so there is some exposure to the elements. The NFL wasn't always as vigilant. Take a look and listen here. Tampa Bay at Cincinnati, September 1980. Lightning nearly hit the stadium, and the TV picture almost got knocked out. And the game simply went on. Prior to Sunday, I'd never heard of an NFL game delayed twice by lightning, and the Steelers game took 4 hours and 15 minutes to finish. But kudos to the NFL for putting athlete and fan safety first. Stay tuned. Our extended forecast is next.